I'm Dr. Eric Raabe from Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, and I am a pediatric neuro-oncologist. I have an active research lab studying medulloblastoma, and in particular, we're focused on the worst type of medulloblastoma, which is MYC-driven medulloblastoma. So those medulloblastomas that have overexpression or amplification of oncogene MYC. And we'd like to thank the Swifty Foundation for funding our Alex Lemonade Stand Innovation Grant, which we've been working on for almost 2 years now, where we have been studying new metabolic drugs that have been designed to have better oral bioavailability, meaning it can be taken by mouth as opposed to given IV, and also better brain penetration than some of the things that have been existing. And so with support from the Swifty Foundation, Alex Lemonade Stand, we and our collaborators have been able to do some pretty exciting things. We've been able to show that these drugs actually do get into the brain of laboratory mice, that they do kill the MYC-driven medulloblastoma cells both in the dish and in the brains of the mice, and they extend the survival of mice that have the human medulloblastoma cells. So that's really important. And lastly, we've also been able to do metabolomic studies. That's a fancy word for figuring out the metabolism of the cancer cells, and just to see how these anti-metabolic drugs are actually affecting the metabolism of the cell. And we've also been able to find some interesting combinations of new drugs and some old drugs that could be used together that can kind of be a 1-2 punch to kill these MYC-driven medulloblastoma cells. So we're hoping and anticipating that we'll have 2 papers in which Alex Lemonade Stand and Swifty Foundation will be acknowledged. That should be submitted in the next 3 months. And most importantly, we hope that this will lead to moving some of these drugs towards clinical trials for patients with MYC-driven medullo. So thank you very much, and we hope that you'll continue your support of Alex Lemonade Stand and of pediatric brain tumor research.